All right, I purchased this Surfcabin cell phone mount for my phone to install in my 2019 F250. So this is what you get. This is definitely magnetic, and then it looks like I'm gonna have to assemble it. So I'm taking it out. So there's a piece. There's a piece with the magnet and the Allen wrench. And there's a piece, which I am assuming, well, I'm not going to assume anything. And then a piece of adhesive. And then the instructions. So, it says it positions on either side of my screen there, so that's good. So let me review how to install it, and then I'll install it and I'll show you. But Surfcabin, let's take a look. All right, so I have it tightened down in that corner, and as you can tell, you can still adjust your airflow with it on there. So now the next step is to install the arm, and then the other arm with the adhesive, or not the adhesive, but the magnet on it. So let me do all that, and then I'll show you the final outcome. The other two pieces, they just, tighten on to each other, and I'll show you here in a second. All right, so there you go. There's what it looks like installed, and your phone just mounts right on there magnetically. So I can't show you that since I'm videotaping or filming with my phone, but you get the message, and then it'll be just right there. You can see it and go from there. So hopefully, if you're looking at one of these, this will help you out, because I think it's going to be a great addition to me driving along and being able to see who's texting me and so forth. So there you go. Hopefully this helps you out.